When we study the evolutionary history of human consciousness and modern biology, we are often told a story full of contradictions, a tale that requires blind faith in Darwinism rather than scientific logic. We are taught that millions of years ago, in a primordial soup, chemicals accidentally combined to form a living cell. This single cell then supposedly developed new organs and complexity out of necessity, evolving from bacteria to amoeba, fish to frog, monkey to the human being who now dreams of colonizing Mars. This bacteria to Beethoven journey sounds romantic, but when we focus on the second oldest mystery of the universe, the virus, the house of cards built by Darwin collapses. If natural selection was powerful enough to turn a microbe into a conscious human, why did it treat the virus like a stepchild? The virus is as ancient as bacteria, yet after 4 billion years, why is it still as helpless and incomplete as it was on day one? A virus exists on the border of life and death. Outside a host, it is just an inert crystal, like a grain of salt. It doesn't breathe, eat, or grow. It only activates by hijacking a living cell. Darwinism claims organisms improve and become self-sufficient for survival. If so, the virus had the greatest need for evolution. While bacteria could produce protein and self-replicate, the virus remained a genetic beggar. Logic dictates that over billions of years, the virus should have evolved a cell wall or ribosomes to end its dependency. Why did the engine of evolution jam here? Evolutionists argue that time makes the impossible possible. But the virus had the same 4 billion years as bacteria. One brother evolved eyes, a heart, and a brain, humanity, while the other is still begging for a host cell to survive. This isn't natural selection, it's a fundamental halt. Even giant viruses, like mimivirus, despite their size, remain just as dependent. This stagnation proves that the virus was designed with boundaries for a specific purpose: to regulate populations and transfer genetic info within the ecosystem. The eternal dependency of the virus is a slap to the face of blind evolution. It proves that life isn't a self-organizing accident, but a creation of an intelligent designer who perfected life where he willed, humans, and kept it limited where he willed, viruses.